Sunshine and beautiful weather today now that we don't have that strong gusty wind. We've got high pressure over the area. We've got lots of really nice sunshine and very pleasant weather. It's going to be spring-like though. It's going to be warming up. We'll probably get up to about 80 degrees over the weekend. We're taking a look at the big picture. Winter is right about here. Okay, that's winter, all right? And that's moving offshore. And high pressure is the one that's on top of us. Down here in the southwest, way out there in Baja California, we've got this area of spinning weather. What it's going to do is that the southern jet, okay, big flow of air is going to finally break through this big dome that's been blocking everything and finally push a change in our weather pattern. So what I'm telling you is that we were sort of stuck like this for about a week and a half. That's finally going to break down. Winter will continue over there, but we're going to get a lot milder weather coming across the southwest. This moisture that you see here already moving into Arizona, that is going to be getting into our area, giving us a shot at some rain next week. But for the weekend, things are looking fairly nice. Tonight, clear skies, no major problems. We are looking, excuse me, at your low temperatures slowly warming up. So we went from the 32 to 41 tomorrow and then to about 54 over the weekend. And next week, Monday, Tuesday, fairly mild weather coming at us because it's coming at us from the southwest. So take a look at the big picture. You can see how the snowstorms continue rolling down into the eastern states. That's where winter is. There is no winter here. But as we talked about this low, you can see how it's going to spin that Pacific moisture up over Mexico and then into Texas. As a matter of fact, by the time we get to Tuesday and Wednesday, it looks like that mass of cloud deck will be moving over our area, giving us some clouds and maybe a few sprinkles. Now, I'll say some light rain. I wouldn't say anything severe and not at all cold. I mean, it's spring-like weather. This is coming at us from the south in the Pacific, so this is not at all cold. Now, you can see how there is some cold up here in the Rockies, way up there, but not moving in our direction. So we're going to be looking at some very mild weather at us coming at next week. So we're looking at the long term, but look at that. The warmest spots in the country throughout all of Texas as tomorrow we get into the upper 70s. While our friends in Chicago will be at about 33. So what I'm trying to tell you is an early peak at spring-like weather. Here are the high temperatures for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. All of these are 10 degrees above our seasonal average for this time of year. So tonight we'll get down into the 40s. It'll be a little cool, but not as cold. We were freezing this morning. And then tomorrow with abundant sunshine, getting up to 79 for us, 80 degrees, a couple of upper 80s. Hello, it's springtime. In Port Lavaca, it's going to be a gorgeous day. Lots of sun, no significant wind problems, getting up to about 78. In Cuero, you're getting up to 83 tomorrow. Yeah, enjoy the sunshine. And don't forget the 7-layer dip for the big party over the weekend as we get a warm weekend and a high of 79 on Sunday. We'll certainly be watching and waiting for that potential rain coming in next week. That's your 7-day forecast, reminding everybody we do have a